Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I have something kind of special here. I got it in a thrift shop for $1, and it's a piece of wood, but it has a little round little edge on it, and I'm going to pour it because I think it'll make a nice tray. I don't know what I'll use it for, but nonetheless a tray. So I'm just going to do a dirty pour and then sort of just put it in there, and then later on when it's dry I'll paint the edges probably black. But yeah, it's first time I've worked with a piece of wood, so it's going to be quite interesting, I think. And I have black, blue, darker yellow, and I have this sort of crimson colour. A bit more black I think we can have. Maybe a touch of white. I've got a little bit of white here, but I'd like to keep it aside just in case I'm going to do a swipe. I think a spatula swipe would be interesting as well. Alright, that might be enough. The tray's not all that big. I don't know what it is. It looks to be... Where's the... Here we are. I can tell you what it is. It's square, so it is 14-inch or 36 centimetre square, excuse me, and here we go. Just straight out, I think. Little curl at the end. It probably won't be noticeable at all by the time I'm finished. And I don't have to worry about it going over the edges too soon, do I? Might need to put a few more spots of yellow and white in there because it looks a bit dark. But we won't get excited just yet. Okay. See if I can get some of that yellow. Oops, okay, if that's what you want to do, but I think I'd rather lose this end if I have to. And I like that now, so we'll see how we go down here. The edges by the look of this, because that looks quite pretty. Are you going to go over for me as well? And it is. More to go. That little hand. Just taking it down to that corner before I tip it over the edge. Like that. Toot toot. Okay, what do we have? We have something very, very pretty. Oh, didn't do that edge. Silly me. Go on, down you go. Oop, not you. Over that way. Hope there's enough paint now. I should have thought of this before. Give it a bit of a hand. Come on, over you go, you can do it. Right, now I've got it. Then I've cut. I really like this. Throw it back, get a second layer of pattern. Coming down quite nicely. And a bit more. Make this line here move down so then it all going the one way, it'll look good. It's basically there now. Oh yes. That is pretty. A bit back this way, I think, just to get some lines into this part here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I think that's good enough. I just doubled over that blue. Oh yes. How pretty is that? That is one nice tray. When my friends come with, perhaps we could have tea. There's no more colours in there, I don't think. Nothing I can put on there anyway. Alright, I'm just going to wipe my hands and then I'm going to torch and you can behave too if you don't mind. Thank you. Right, I'm going to torch it. If I've got enough, I hope I've got enough gas, that's all. That is really good. Happy. And the blue and the yellow have gone together and made a little bit of green here and there, so that's rather nice as well. And I'm going to bring you down to have a look. When I find the clip, there we go. And this is what I was looking at. It's really got some pretty cells on it. And and I don't have to do the edge because I'm quite happy with the way the edges got covered. And thank you to the thrift shop, $1. I can't believe it, that was so cool. There's some beautiful patterns and cells. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'm really excited. I hope this dries nicely, which it probably will. And if you haven't already, please click on subscribe and click on the little bell. You'll be notified when I make more videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.